Hey there, creators! Welcome back to our channel, your go to place for all things creative and tech. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the world of quizzes with Canva's Quiz Maker for 2024. Whether you're a teacher, a marketer, or just looking to have some fun with friends, stick around as I guide you through creating an engaging quiz on Canva step by step. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need a Canva account. If you don't have one already, signing up is quick, easy, and free. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Canva homepage. To get started, head over to the search bar at the top and type in quiz. Canva offers a variety of quiz templates from educational quizzes to fun personality quizzes, so you're sure to find one that fits your needs. Take your time to browse through the templates. When you find one you like, click on it and let's start customizing. Alright, now for the fun part, making it your own. Canva's drag and drop interface makes it super easy to customize your quiz. You can change the text by clicking on it and typing in your questions and answers. Don't forget to make your quiz visually appealing. You can change the background, add images, and even include videos by using the Elements tab on the left hand side. Canva's library is vast, so let your creativity flow. Quizzes aren't just about asking questions, they're about engagement. To add interactive elements, head over to the More tab on the left sidebar and look for quizzes. There you can add different type of questions like multiple choice, true or false, or fill in the blanks as well. Once you're happy with your quiz, it's time to share it with the world. Canva makes sharing effortless. Click on the share button at the top right corner and you see options to share your quiz directly to social media, email it, or even embed it into your website. And there you have it, folks, your very own quiz ready to engage and entertain. Canva Quiz Maker 2024 is a powerful tool that opens up a world of possibilities, whether for educational purposes, business, or just for fun. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more creative tips and tricks, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss a video.